My dear students, today I want to start a very important topic. Name of this topic is linear equation of two variables. As you know, you have studied about the linear equation of one variable, two variables from, as I think from 6, you have studied about the linear equation of one variable. And from 9, you have studied about the linear equation of two variables. But here, I want to give you emphasis on this point that this chapter is very, very important not for the syllabus of Standard 10, but it is also very important for the higher classes and competition. It is not only important, but its graphical approach is also very, very important to crack the examination of competition. I want to discuss some situation in which by observing the nature of the graph, you can say that what type of this system of equation is. As you know, the general form of linear equation of two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, and abc belong to R. Now see in figure first. What do you observe? There are two lines which intersect at a point P. And generally line is denoted by a small letter of English alphabet. So what do you observe? In first case, two lines intersect each other at a point. Here, no lines intersect each other. And here, the lines do not intersect each other, but here coincides with each other. This is the case of intersection. So this is the case of unique solution. This is the case of infinite solution, many solution, dependent solution, and this is the case of no solution. My dear students, the important point is that this chapter links with a very important chapter, that is coordinate geometry. And by knowing the coordinate geometry in advance, your chance to compete the competition of engineering and other will be increased. So, in my opinion, you must not only solve the problem of Standard 10, but you try to solve the problem of straight line of class 11 also. You should make a plan, and by advanced learning of this chapter with coordinate geometry, you would be in a position that you can easily crack the competitive examination. So, I want to conclude this chapter by this remarkable line. To get success, you start sooner and more than your competitor is the secret of success. Dear student, I hope you must know this chapter. You must learn this chapter in depth so that you would be able to crack the examination, competitive examination. Thank you very much.